In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add logo in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you need is a PNG to SVG tool. Now you can just search it up on Google, and from there you then want to open up any websites. From there, let's then navigate through our logo. So my logo is going to be the channel's logo right here. Let's then import it to the PNG to SVG, and then let's click on the convert option. So from there, we will then have our file, which is going to be the logo SVG. So in my case, I'm just going to import this back to my desktop so I can find it easily. And basically from there, you then want to navigate through your Bambu Studio, right click on your plate, and then you want to navigate through Add Primitive. Select the SVG option, and then of course, you want to look for your SVG file. In our case, it's going to be this one. Click on open, and basically our logo will then show up right here. Now, of course, you can then color this the way you want to. Now, it's not going to be perfect, but it will then try its best to simply go ahead and transform it into our logo. Now, basically, our logo is just a big giant circle. From here, you can edit out its shape. So maybe for this one, let's then set our filament into something like blue. And basically from there, it will then add your logo, as you can see right here. So once again, it's not perfect, but if you work on it, it will then allow you to import your logos in Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.